You've been told for years that eggs are the ultimate muscle food. But what if I told you there are foods out there, cheaper than a dozen eggs, that can help you rebuild muscle even at 70? That's right, you don't need protein powders or expensive shakes to stay strong. As we get older, our bodies get a little less efficient at using protein to build muscle. It's a natural process called anabolic resistance, but it just means we need to be a little smarter about the signals we send our muscles. And relying only on eggs might mean you're missing out on some powerful and surprisingly cheap alternatives. The truth is, research shows that certain nutrients in everyday foods can give your muscles the strong signal they need to grow. So, if you're over 60 and tired of hearing the same advice on repeat, this one's for you. I'm about to walk you through 7 underrated, affordable foods that quietly repair muscle tissue and help you fight age-related muscle loss. Let's dive in. The foundation of strength: lentils. Let's start with one of the cheapest powerhouses in the entire grocery store: lentils. They might not have fancy packaging, but what they do have is substance. Real, dense, muscle-supporting nutrition that your body knows exactly what to do with. Just one cooked cup delivers around 18 grams of quality plant protein, with no cholesterol and no hassle. But it's not just the protein amount. Lentils are a great source of an amino acid called leucine. Think of leucine as the spark plug that ignites the engine for muscle building. For seniors, getting enough leucine is critical to overcoming that anabolic resistance we talked about. On top of that, lentils are loaded with fiber for digestive health and iron, which is crucial for getting oxygen to your muscles to help them fight off fatigue. And let's talk versatility. You don't need to be a gourmet chef. Just simmer them into a hearty soup, add them to a stew, or toss them in a salad. Making lentils a regular part of your diet is a simple, powerful habit for protecting your strength. The overnight muscle feeder: Greek yogurt. Coming up next is a food that helps feed your muscles even while you sleep: plain Greek yogurt. I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is a senior's secret weapon. Why? Because muscle repair is a 24/7 job. A serving of Greek yogurt can pack up to 20 grams of protein, but its real magic is in its 2 types of protein: whey and casein. Whey is fast-acting, giving your muscles a quick flood of amino acids right after a walk or physical activity. But casein is the real star for long-term maintenance. It's a slow-digesting protein. While you sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds. Casein keeps releasing amino acids for up to 7 hours. It's like putting a drip line of nutrients directly into your bloodstream, steady, smooth, and restorative. This prevents your body from breaking down muscle overnight. Plus, Greek yogurt is packed with calcium for bone health and muscle contraction. For an affordable tool for both immediate and long-term support, it's hard to beat. The complete builder: lean chicken and turkey. Now for a classic, and for good reason: lean poultry like chicken and turkey breast. There's a reason bodybuilders have relied on it for decades, and those same benefits are incredibly important for us. A single 3.5-ounce serving of chicken breast delivers over 30 grams of what's called a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. These are the fundamental building blocks for muscle repair. For older adults, this complete profile is huge. Since your body becomes less efficient at processing protein after 60, giving it the full spectrum of amino acids at once gives it the best possible chance to build muscle effectively. It's also naturally low in saturated fat, which is great for heart health, and it's a rich source of B vitamins like B12, which supports energy and focus, 2 things that are directly linked to our feeling of vitality as we age. Whether you roast a chicken breast for dinner or use shredded turkey in a sandwich, you're giving your body a direct, powerful signal to stay strong. If you're finding this information helpful and believe that simple, real food is the best medicine, please take a moment to press the like button. It just takes a second, but it truly helps this message reach others who might be feeling frustrated and need to hear that there are affordable, effective solutions out there. Thank you. The anti-inflammatory strengthener: fatty fish. So now let's talk about a food that does more than just provide protein. It actively fights a hidden enemy of muscle health: inflammation. I'm talking about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and especially affordable canned tuna and sardines. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer of muscle tissue in aging bodies. Fatty fish are the best source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that omega-3s can directly stimulate muscle protein synthesis in older adults, making them a key tool in fighting age-related muscle loss. One study even found that older adults who took omega-3s for 6 months saw a significant increase in thigh muscle volume and strength. And you don't have to buy expensive fresh fish. Canned salmon, tuna, or sardines offer the same incredible benefits for a fraction of the cost, making them one of the most potent, budget-friendly additions to your diet. The plant-based powerhouse, tofu and soy. Alright, the next food on our list is one that some people are hesitant about, but I urge you to give it a chance. Let's talk about tofu. For decades, we were led to believe that plant-based proteins were inferior, but science has shown that's simply not the case, especially when it comes to soy. Tofu is made from soybeans and is one of the few plant foods that qualifies as a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's an excellent substitute for meat. But the benefits go beyond just muscle. Tofu is inherently heart-healthy, low in saturated fat, and has no cholesterol. This is so important for older adults who are often managing both muscle health and cardiovascular concerns at the same time. Tofu is also incredibly versatile and affordable. The key is to use firm or extra-firm tofu, which has a meatier texture. It absorbs flavors beautifully, so it's perfect for a stir-fry, crumbled into a chili, or baked until golden and crispy. By incorporating a food like tofu, you're not just building muscle, you're supporting your heart and your wallet. The budget-friendly bedrock, dried beans. If there is one food that truly embodies cheap and effective, it is the humble dried bean. A 1-pound bag of black beans or pinto beans often costs less than a single cup of coffee, yet it can provide the foundation for numerous muscle-building meals. One cooked cup delivers around 15 grams of protein, but their real power is in the combination of protein with complex carbs and fiber. This is the trifecta for slowing sarcopenia. The protein repairs your muscles. The complex carbs provide slow-burning, sustained energy to help you stay active without energy crashes. And the fiber is a game-changer. It supports gut health, which helps your body absorb nutrients, and it helps manage blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Don't be put off by the cooking time. You can cook a large batch on the weekend and freeze portions for later, making them just as convenient as canned beans at a much lower cost. For sheer nutritional value and affordability, nothing beats the bean. The mineral-rich finisher, nuts and seeds. For our final food, we're looking at something you can sprinkle on almost any meal for an extra muscle-supporting punch, nuts and seeds. They may not have the huge protein numbers of chicken, but their unique nutritional profile makes them an essential part of the puzzle. An ounce of almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds provides a solid 6-7 grams of protein, but more importantly, it delivers healthy fats and crucial minerals for muscle function. One of the most important of these is magnesium. Magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in the body, including muscle contraction, energy production, and protein synthesis. Many older adults don't get enough, which can lead to muscle weakness and cramps. A handful of almonds or a spoonful of chia seeds can significantly boost your intake. Think of them as the support crew for your muscles. Sprinkle them on your Greek yogurt, add them to your salads, or just have a handful as a snack. It's an easy way to round out your diet and ensure your muscles have every micronutrient they need to thrive. So let's bring it home. Forget eggs for a minute. If you're over 60, you need foods that are easy to digest, full of muscle-building nutrients, and affordable enough to eat daily. Lentils, Greek yogurt, fatty fish, beans, these are the real MVPs of senior nutrition. The key takeaway is this: your muscles don't care about trends, they care about consistency. By steadily incorporating these everyday foods, you are giving your body the high-quality tools it needs to fight back. It's about making smart, sustainable choices. Remember, this information is for educational purposes and not a substitute for personal medical advice. Always consult with your doctor to create a plan that's right for you. Now I have a question for you. Which of these 7 foods will you try to add to your meals this week? Let me know in the comments section below. I love reading about the small changes people are making for their health. If this helped you, please consider sharing it with a friend or family member who could benefit. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video on simple science-backed strategies to help you live a long, strong, and vibrant life.